In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see how many friends you have on Snapchat. Now, this process isn't as straightforward as I would like it to be. They don't make it that easy, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we need to do is we need to tap on the Snap Map icon there at the far left-hand corner at the bottom. And then we need to tap on the settings gear cog at the top right-hand corner. For this, you will need to enable your location. So I'm going to tap on enable location only this time. Okay, once you've enabled your location, tap the settings gear cog again, and then you want to make sure that ghost mode isn't on. So I'm going to turn off ghost mode. Then it says who can see my location. Then you want to select the option only these friends, and then you can either deselect all or select all, but you want to make sure that you select all your friends. Then just save that. Then you can go out of here. And then once you've done that, you can go and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left-hand corner. Scroll down a bit, and there you'll see it says Snap Map, and it says sharing location with 5 friends, meaning that you have 5 friends on Snapchat. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.